Hey, I'm Matt with EPB, and this is EPB Home Tech Tips. Do you have 3 copies of your favorite movie stored on your DVR? Or maybe 50 episodes of a series that you don't plan on watching or don't have time to? If you answered yes, it's probably time to clean out your DVR. Your DVR is kind of like a library full of books. If you collect too many of them, you're never going to have time to read them all. A DVR can easily get overcrowded with movies or TV shows that you've forgotten about or didn't even mean to record. Let's look at 5 signs that say it's probably time to clean out your DVR. A DVR is supposed to be fun, not something stressful. Channel your inner Marie Kondo and go through your DVR recordings one at a time and ask yourself, does this bring me joy? If it doesn't, delete anything that doesn't make you happy. You don't need all that digital clutter in your life. With so many streaming options available now, you can usually find commercial-free versions of your recordings elsewhere. It's probably safe to delete recordings that are also available on other streaming services and enjoy them without commercials. You don't even remember recording your recordings. Some of your recordings, you don't remember what they're about or why you even recorded them. Chances are, if you haven't watched them yet, you probably aren't going to. Go ahead and get rid of those mystery recordings. It takes you more than 10 minutes to find something to watch. Ever heard of decision paralysis? Although it's nice to have choices, deciding what to watch can get overwhelming. If you're spending more time scrolling than watching, it's time to delete some recordings. You've stopped using your DVR completely. Is your DVR so cluttered that you always end up flipping channels and watching reruns on live TV instead? If you're not even using your DVR anymore, it's probably time for a fresh start. Ready to start cleaning your DVR? Visit our playlist at this URL to learn more about managing your unlimited DVR. Here are a couple things you can do to be proactive and keep your DVR clean moving forward. First, set your DVR to record first runs only. Next, if you're recording a show to watch it later that day, skip the DVR and use replay or video on demand instead. With EPB Fi TV, you can watch a video anytime, up to 3 days after it airs. Some shows are even automatically saved to the VOD section, so you have even longer to watch them. We hope these tips help you take back your DVR and use it for what it was made for, entertainment. We're always here to help answer your questions. Give us a call or post your comments below. And for more home tech tips, don't forget to check out the rest of our YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.